So here we have a collection of dahlias that are moved from various series because they're beautiful standalone varieties. They have their own individual properties, but they don't actually fit the series that we've identified, the series profiles. So for instance, with the collection Amora, this has actually come over from Sincerity. Look at the size of that bloom. Some of these varieties are up to 20 centimetres in diameter in blooming. Most of these varieties are suitable for larger pot work. You've also got some cut flower varieties, which we'll look at shortly. So the next variety here is Collection Bellini. Now Bellini has come over from the very well-known series Gallery. However, in our extensive field trials and greenhouse trials, we noted that Bellini isn't really fitting the Gallery series. So we've moved it into our collection. Another fantastic individual type is the Collection Cabernet. Obviously a beautiful wine red colour. You can see it has this more open and relaxed habit. Larger leaves. Then we look to the Collection Cafe Latte. Now here you start to see really that vigour that would be suitable for a cut flower production. And this really has a beautiful large open flower of a what looks like a latte. Now here we have the Collection Latour. This has come over from the Gallery series. Again, not really fitting the Gallery series. You've got this beautiful dark leaf, however, and these lovely, very well double flowers. We have the Collection Lagoon Blue, also come over from the Sincerity series. A beautiful blue. So here we have the Collection Pablo. Now this has come over from the Gallery series. Again, not fitting the Gallery as we would describe it as a series profile. Nevertheless, a beautiful flower colour, and you've got this more compact habit in this case. So here we have the Dahlegria series. Dahlegria is all about that colour contrast between the huge single flowers and the almost black leaves. Here we've got the Dahlegria Light Rose. You can see that colour contrast there. We've got some nice bicolour types like the Dahlegria Magenta bicolour. The Dahlegria Orange, really bright orange against that almost black leaf. The Dahlegria Pink Flame. You can see this pink flaming in the petal there. Obviously lovely and attractive for bees too. We've got the Dahlegria Pink Halo. You can see that haloing in the centre of the plant. And the Dahlegria Red. Again, a nice colour contrast between that hot colour and the dark leaf. Dahlegria Sunrise, this is one of my personal favourites. You've got that beautiful kind of jewel tone of a sunrise set against the blackness of the foliage. Dahlegria Sunset, more of a yellow variety. And Dahlegria Tricolour, this is also a really interesting colourway within the flower type. And finally, Dahlegria White. So with Dahlegria, again, you've got that large single flower, dark leaf, and most suited towards a 15, 17 centimetre pot, so more in the range of a mid-sized pot, because you have the more controlled vigour compared to some for instance, the collection types.